Hi, I'm Tanya from My Vinyl Cut, and I wanted to share my new gift I just got in the mail. This box just ended up on my doorstep. It was my birthday a couple of days ago, so I'm assuming it's a birthday gift from my husband. Thank you, Johnny Mac. It was addressed to me in my business, My Vinyl Cut, so I opened it up. Actually, there was a rip in the box, so I was a little bit nervous, but the inside box seems okay. But I opened it up, and it's a Silhouette Cameo, and it's a 3 because they don't sell the 2s anymore. I don't know if you can buy them anywhere, but it's the pink one. So pretty. So I wanted to take it out of the box so everyone knows what it looks like when you get a new Silhouette Cameo 3. You just open the box, and the first thing you do is you take off this little box that's on top. Inside it has the power cords and then some accessories like your first blade you put in. I don't think it comes with, it has a carrier or carriage with 2 blades, but I think it only comes with 1. You have to buy the other one. But he got the bundle with 3 blades and 3 mats. So this is a regular cutting mat, this is a light hold cutting mat, and then this is another regular cutting mat. It doesn't have a label on it, but it looks just like the regular one. So there's 3 mats, power cords, and then it's in this styrofoam protective end pieces. So be careful when you pull that out, it's got candles on it. So in the box are 2 more blades. So it comes with 1 and you get 2 extras. So that's the 3 blades and the 3 mats. That was the bundle. He could have gotten one with a bunch of vinyl, but I already have a bunch of vinyl. I actually have the Silhouette Cameo 2. I've been using it for about a year and a half, and it's actually my business. I started a LLC, and I got all my licenses and resale numbers and collect tax and all that stuff. So it's my business, and so he wanted to upgrade it, so that was really nice. But in this has information for Facebook groups, from Swing Design, that's where he bought it from. All kinds of like e-guides, places to buy art files, Silhouette Beginner Class, Silhouette U 30-day membership, Silhouette Club 30-day membership, which is where you can buy your cutting files in Silhouette America, and then a So Fancy gift card. So I don't know if you actually bought that or if it came with it, but you can check out all the bundles at Swing Design to see what you can get. So you want to remove these, but you want to hold the bottom when you pull this out, because then it'll just drop to the surface of the table. So you take the end caps off, and then I would store those in case you want to bring it somewhere. You can protect it and safely transport it. Then it comes with this film to keep it from getting scratched. This sticker here comes off, which holds the lid down, and it has the information where you can go and install your software. I already have the software installed. It's the exact same software, so it doesn't matter what machine you get. Even if someone gave you a used one, you can just download the Silhouette America software for free and use it. It's the same software for all the machines. I have the upgraded business edition, and the most recently updated, I don't know what the numbers are, but it's the V4, whatever that is. It's the newest, and it's great. I love it. But I can notice already this is larger than the 2. The lid goes all the way to the end. When you lift it up, you can see the screen under here, whereas the 2, the lid only came to here, and this was already always exposed. There's usually clear tape holding this carriage in place so it doesn't move during shipment, but there's 2 blade holders, so I'm gonna have to take this into my craft shop and set all this up, and I'll video that too. Right now I'm in my dining room because this is the biggest table I have for taking it out of the box, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my workshop, and I have a little pool house in the back, and it's been converted into my workshop, so that's where I make everything. And I'll hook that up and video that, and that way you can see how to get it started from there. But this is taking it out of a box and what you get. So again, for my birthday present, thank you to my husband. And if you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you.